Here's my 1992 Geo Tracker, same vehicle as a Suzuki Sidekick. I wanted one of these about 13 years ago, got mine 3 years ago, so it was a while before I got one of these. I wanted a Suzuki Samurai, Suzuki Sidekick, or Geo Tracker. I wanted a small Suzuki 4x4, but I wanted a really nice one, a time capsule. This has an odometer that resets after 99,999 miles. Mine has 103,478 miles. I know it's not 203,478 miles because of the seats. I've seen vehicles, their seats start tearing in this area after 50,000 miles. So if this had 200,000 plus or 300,000 plus, this would be all torn up. So I give this about a 7.4 out of 10 in condition. This is the nicest one I could find 3 years ago, and I've been looking at these for years and years. I've only seen a couple, when I was daydreaming, that looked nicer than this one. The only way you're gonna get better than this is if you buy one on bringatrailer.com. Those people had the presence of mind to preserve random vehicles. Go on Bring a Trailer or just search the history. You could find any random vehicle sold for nearly brand new. I've seen Geo Trackers, Suzuki Sidekicks go for $20,000+ with like 10,000 miles. 9.5 out of 10 in condition, nearly new. My buddy Tommy is Tommy. He doesn't have a Bring a Trailer quality tracker, but nicer than mine. His looks like a 8 out of 10, maybe 8.5 out of 10 in condition. I believe his is a 97, and instead of a Geo, it's the Chevrolet variant. I didn't mind if I got a Suzuki Samurai or a Suzuki Sidekick, but I really wanted a Geo Tracker just for this, the emblem. It's a globe with the Chevrolet logo in the center. This is how much I like the emblem. This is a brand new emblem. This is a repro, not official, not OEM, but this is how much I like the logo. Oh, and then the Geo Tracker has a better decal than the Sidekick. The Sidekick did get better seats though. Here's the original emblem. It's faded, but this will show you the quality of OEM. So I bought a repro right away. I bought 2 of them, and I just replaced the original one I bought, starting to rust. So the one I have up now is the other one I bought 3 years ago. I had to buy 2. I really like the logo a lot. Does this make me sick in the head that I really like these logos? Actually, I bought 3. I forgot. I saw it in the box right now. Here's an extra one just in case. I'm thinking of coating it with oil. Maybe that'll preserve it better. But great job on the OEM. It just faded after 30 years. So I got a couple other things. I replaced the transfer case, shift knob. Didn't replace this yet, but I got a couple of parts. OEM shift boot right there. Gonna replace it once this starts cracking. And then I thought this was OEM, but it feels a lot cheaper. Just feels like straight up plastic. This feels like rubber. So this is definitely not OEM. And this is the original transfer case shift knob. It's just yellowing. This one's brand new, OEM. There's the interior one more time. And then in the back, I'll show you the back right now. The rear seat's folded up. It's actually in better condition than the front seats. Looks like no one has ever sat in them. Thinking about taking it out though, so I have better access to the back from the driver's area. This is tow equipment. My intention, wanting a Suzuki 4x4, is to have a cool off-road toy that I could still drive to work. So I take this to work, I take it off-roading, and then my intention is to tow this behind my off-road van, sleep in my van, and wake up to some off-roading. So if you're just learning about these, what is a Geo? What's up with the globe with the Chevrolet logo in the center? So the Geo brand came out in the late 80s and lasted about 8 years. So GM, General Motors, they didn't know how to make small cars that people actually want. So what they did is they did a collab with the Japanese. So this is a Suzuki. So they sold a car called a Prism, Geo Prism. That's a Toyota Corolla. Geostorm was a Isuzu Impulse. So they just collaborated with Japanese car manufacturers so that they could sell small vehicles in their Chevrolet showrooms. If I remember correctly, I don't think there was a straight up Geo dealer like there was Saturn. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. So the point of that was get the younger people buying something like this brand new. When you know who likes this the most? People in their late 40s, early 50s. When they see this, they tell me, I bought one of these brand new and I miss it so much. It's the happiest time of my life. And those comments are so cool because these people approaching me, man, they'll drive something like a Mercedes, a luxury car, and they're happy seeing this. It takes them back to a happier time in their life. So General Motors, their whole purpose of rebranding little Japanese vehicles is to hopefully get younger people buying brand new Geo branded, you know, rebranded cars. So that way when they get a little older, have a little more money, they're gonna buy a bigger General Motors vehicle like a Suburban or a Tahoe. And then if they bought a Prism, which is a Corolla, maybe they'll buy an Impala later. So really interesting history. Like I said, I wanted a Samurai, Sidekick, or Tracker, but I really wanted the Tracker, even though the Suzuki has the better seats. So of course Suzuki's not going to put the better seats in the rebrand. So they're going to make the purest brand, which is the Suzuki, a little nicer than the Tracker. But I just like this emblem right here.